Merry Vlogmas Day 2, not 4. I just got back from Target, and is it weird to ask someone to hold a space in line for you? Because I asked someone to do it so I could grab something really quick, and the girl gave me the nastiest side eye ever. And she I thought she wasn't gonna respond. Like, I was smart. I'm like, hey, can you like save my spot for me really quick? She went, sure. Damn, I didn't ask to like hit your grandma or something. Wow, I look like such an adult because I only have healthy things. This is stuff for the healthy part of my lunch every day. And then I got this because at the church there's like a giving box, and I said that I was gonna buy something for a child ages 1 through 12. That's such a broad age gap, but whatever. So I'm like, I think this would be really fun. It was only $10. I should have gotten 2 so I could do it. I really want to make one. Last time we made one, there was a really big tornado in Kentucky. I don't know how many years ago that was, and our house fell apart in I think 2 minutes, so we just called it Kentucky, and we never made one again. Anyway, I'm gonna make myself a hamburger, I think, because that's why I bought these bad babies. And oh yeah, what my initial thing for today was my favorite scents. You may be asking, this is kind of a weird topic, but I'm like, I feel like mine are a little bit strange. So I'm gonna start off with one. What is one? But first, my gut smoothie. I mean, gut drink. Nothing like coming back from an 18-degree walk to drink ice water. So what did I do today? I went to one of my classes online, and I didn't realize that we were presenting today. Thankfully it was a fast one, but I like to talk, as you probably can tell, but for whatever reason I can't do it in front of like an audience. Even if I'm online, I literally only had my voice, no face, even though I probably should have. And I forget what I'm talking about. I like black out. I realize that I say the same thing like 3 times, 3 different ways, which is low-key what most people do, but like I have like this panicked tone to my voice. Worst part is I have a major presentation for literal Amazon Global Overview, which is an advertising agency. It's one of my finals, and I think it's in a week and a half. Thankfully it's not just me, it's with 6 other girls. Guys, I promise I practice. It's just I go up there and I freeze, and I'm like, why are 12 people looking at me? And then I'm trying not to think of me saying that, or me thinking that there's 12 people there, and then 12 people there, and then I'm like thinking that there's people there, and I'm like, no, there's no one here actually. And then my eyes start to tear up, and then my face starts getting red. One time at freshman year of high school, yeah, I think it was, which was a long ass time ago, but still, I feel like it's relevant to this story. I was presenting my final project, and it was me showing my diorama of freaking Kill a Mockingbird or something, I don't know. I was doing fine, and then I got to the second page, and then I like, someone coughed or something, and I was like, there's people watching me, because like I forgot I was absorbed for once. And I started to tear up, and by the end I literally thought, but it's not like I'm crying, it's just my eyes are crying. So like I could say I'm crying, but like I'm not. Do you know what I mean? My eyes are watering, they're sweating, okay, like they always say. So I finally handed my papers to the teacher, and everyone in the class is like staring at me like, what the frick is wrong with this girl? I don't know either. And ever since then I have not been able to present without like tears coming to my eyes and stuff. And like, yeah, believe it or not, I don't like being the center of attention. So that was really scary. Does anyone else have this experience? I like how this just turned into me saying that I hate presenting. I'm sure not, I mean, I don't think most people really like to present, but it's just like, I don't know how to get better at it, because I have presented quite a few times this year. Thankfully, I've never had to take public speaking. I would actually jump out the window. No. No. No, thank you. So anyway, I had work today after that presentation, which is super chill. Did I mention that it's 18 degrees outside, and for whatever reason I chose to wear leggings today? I don't really wear leggings a lot. I'm a jeans girl, and I decided today on the coldest day of the freaking year that I was gonna wear leggings. So my thighs are still unthawing if anybody wants a bit. What? I'm going to the library to a study room with my group for one of my advertising classes so that we can work together and finish our creative brief, the last thing. And for whatever reason, we still have a final. I don't know what you can literally quiz me on advertising. I don't know. I don't know. I'm sorry, but the lectures are pretty boring. There's nothing on the slides that make me want to go, that's interesting. Then after that, I have my dance club, and we're going to be learning Ditto by New Jeans, my favorite girl group, so I'm super excited. And after that, I will have to try and find a bus because I'm not walking a mile home in 8 degrees, especially since I also forgot a scarf. Don't worry, I'm going to put sweatpants over my leggings this time, like I was originally supposed to. And that will be the day. I'm going to a new Korean restaurant tomorrow. I don't know what it's called. Can anyone in the University of Illinois tell me when ice skating is opening? Because I'd really like to go. So this video was originally supposed to be me saying what my favorite scents are. No offense to my past self, but what were you thinking? But I'll share them anyway because I think that some of these people will agree, and they're also a little bit weird. So my first one, well, these aren't in order because I have dementia. Not really, actually I don't even know, but like I forget things halfway through. My first one is gasoline. That's not my first one, it's my second one actually, but remember this isn't in order, right? So the gasoline, but that's just like, I feel like it's 50-50, like the population of the world loves it. Smell. Dryer sheets, the smell in between, I need to stop picking my face. The smell in between seasons, specifically as you're entering spring or fall. Oh my gosh, can we get a candle scented like that? You can never recreate that. That is nature. Go outside, guys. Touch some grass after being on your electronics for too long. What is my first one? What was the first one on the list? Did I already say dryer sheets? A freshly mowed lawn, fresh asphalt. My favorite, tangerines. That's like number one by far. I don't think anything will ever be able to beat it because it's just so amazing. Or maybe that smell in high school when it's the last week of school before summer break. There's a smell. Y'all know what I'm talking about. That's just like, I can't believe I graduated high school 3 years ago. I still look like I'm 14. Guys, I'm literally editing this right now and I forgot to make an outro. So thank you for watching and sorry for the weird cutoff. But honestly, if you've watched any of my videos, that's like a very prominent figure that I do not have an intro or an outro. Why was I about to say extra? But yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.